Hi everyone, and welcome back. Today we are going to take a few minutes to slow down and get comfortable and spend some time with the manual breast pump in a way that feels calm, simple, and relaxing. One thing I always like to remember is that this can be more than just part of a routine. It can be a small act of self-care. For the next few minutes, try setting aside everything else that's competing for your attention. This is your time to settle in, focus on yourself, and enjoy a quiet moment of repetition and consistency. Before you begin pumping, make sure that the breast shield is positioned comfortably. Place it against your breast and check that your nipple is sitting in the center of the tunnel. Take your time with this step. A comfortable seal feels so much smoother from the start. Once everything feels aligned, hold the pump gently in place. If you need to make any small adjustments, do that now. The goal is to feel comfortable and secure before you begin the pumping motion. When you're ready, start with a light squeeze of the handle and then slowly release. Squeeze, release. Allow yourself to settle into the rhythm without worrying about speed. Squeeze, release. Squeeze, release. Notice how the motion repeats itself. Each squeeze is followed by a release. Each release leads naturally into the next squeeze. As you continue, see if you can let the rest of your body relax. Unclench your jaw, lower your shoulders. Allow your breathing to stay easy and natural. Squeeze, release. Squeeze, release. There is something so comforting about a repetitive motion that doesn't require much thought. You simply follow the pattern and let yourself settle into it. A gentle squeeze, a smooth release, and then another squeeze, and another release. The slower pace feels better. If a slightly quicker rhythm feels more natural, that's fine too. You're in control of every single movement. The most important thing is that the process remains comfortable and relaxing. Continue with that steady squeeze and release rhythm for as long as it feels good for you. So keep following that pattern, staying comfortable, and enjoying the repetition. I'll give you some time to continue, and I'll check back in with you shortly. Welcome back. I hope you were able to enjoy a few quiet moments and settle into a rhythm that felt comfortable for you. Sometimes the simplest routines can provide an opportunity to slow down and reconnect with ourselves, even if only for a few minutes. Thank you for spending this time with me today. If you found this video to be relaxing and helpful, I do hope you'll like and subscribe for more.